This bride and groom are about to recite their vows.
Let's face it, 2020 has not been the best year.
As if on cue, Mother Nature crashes Aaron and Denise Sawitsky's ceremony on a beach in Massachusetts.
As we started to get ready for the wedding, you could hear thunder in the distance. And while Denise was saying her vows, I was looking behind her.
I'm not laughing. It's not funny, but I just...
No, it is funny. I think it's hilarious.
It is. It's hilarious. You can see in the video, I started laughing.
Aaron and Denise were supposed to get married in June, but like so many other couples, postponed due to the pandemic. When they finally tied the knot over the weekend, it was a much smaller event outdoors. But they never expected this striking moment. Check out the photo of lightning striking the shoreline.
It's pretty unbelievable.
It sums up the year pretty perfectly. Everything that can go wrong will go wrong.
We're pleased to report that at the end of their reception, a beautiful rainbow appeared over the bay.
The omen is sunny skies are ahead, so.
Yeah.